Alright, so we're back in Downtown Kingston. Here's another part of the video that you guys wanted to see. So today we're gonna try to get, you know, a few things, see what the shopping vibe is like Downtown Kingston, because that's really what Downtown Kingston is for. You know, a lot of people come down here to get the bargains, to get the Clarks them, or to get the shirts them, or the outbeats them. That's why a lot of people come to Downtown Kingston to actually accumulate. So we're just gonna do some mild shopping, maybe stuff that I don't really need, but you know, so I'm gonna do it same way. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can maybe get some, you know, some boxers. Actually, I see the food man there, brother. Soup there, brother. That I'm try to show you. First, I saw some nice chicken foot soup. How much is it?
Oh, $100.
I can get one, but we don't want a food night. Just say soup alone. It's a soup alone. Jamaican people are the craziest people. Yo, it'll be hot and sell out and we still a drink soup same way. I like me, I tell you?
I like.
Mad something. Alright, so to be honest, I did not finish that soup. I just get two like sips of it because I'm not hungry, but yo, supporting. But yo, watch out. Pre-back yourself. Yo, the whole heap of people. Yo, what I think I might do is bring up the drone and give you guys some shots so you guys can see exactly what it looks like in this particular area. But yo, don't have to feel festive, I'm not gonna lie to you still. Like a whole heap of colors, it does different. So Rolley, you ever come down them side?
Yeah, the regular.
I think for shopping wise or?
Yeah, Grand Market night.
Grand Market night.
No man, you just video going down. There's even one little shop there. Going down.
So you see them up all the panty them are selling. You understand? A mad thing. Just a walking out the town, you know? So, I say I'm gonna sell Marina for like $100. I'm gonna beat a Marina for $100 still, to be quite frank. So, I'll go and sell them off. As I say, I don't really need them from them, but just for the experience and thing. So, yeah, that's the vibe. Yo, so I saw the girl them coming and get some of the hot clothes. You see me, I say? The battery rider them and thing and them. Nice.
I got these ladies on your mark.
I'm not gonna lie, them blows that look fresh. I like them on it. So how much you say one of them blows the fuck? Yeah. 12 days.
I give you all of me. I give.
So I said, woman clothes or something. That's why a woman.
Yeah, straight down the line, woman.
And back there's a male thing.
Male thing.
Alright, so we are going for the man side then.
Some more shots, you know, and more shots, right?
So you guys might have noticed like back there, like just above there's like a lot of, what you call them, tarpaulin, like from building to building. It feels like you actually go on the enclosed area. Like I don't even know how they manage to do that because it's tied onto other people's buildings, but like it's a whole different ball game down here, to be quite honest. I guess down here would be more considered a bargaining center because you're able to, like, you know, bargain for stuff, meaning you can get stuff a little bit cheaper. So yeah, it's kind of hot, but it's not that unbearably hot. You don't feel well out there?
Nah, it's just right.
It's just right. It feel like Jamaican heat.
You have to just keep hydrated, yeah.
Yeah, speaking of that, I need to get our water.
Yeah, man. You have splash? Have splash for you? Splash? Yeah. Yeah, man. Ready? No, water.
You have none with ice?
This? Ice?
Right, water with ice.
No.
Give me a special water.
I'll give thanks.
What's it?
What's the water? So give me water this time. What special you like?
Don't go away from
So I know sometimes people always say, like, you know, what's the cost of this, what's the cost of that, how much in US? This costs $50 Jamaican, so in US dollars that would be somewhere like about 30 cents, 30-40 cents. So if you need water, you can get it for that amount. The soup a while ago was $100, so that's about in Jamaican, like in US, about 90 cents. So yeah, you can get stuff relatively decent down here. You keep hydrated for those 40 cents. That's not bad.
I mean, you. Yeah, when I see them come out in a bulk, them are going to wear necks. You see me? Everybody are in them for the summer, right now. And a green are wear for the summer.
And neon them, right?
Neon, isn't it? Yeah.
It'll be a sell like a hot bread.
Right now, so.
I say there is with the splash.
Uno man, this is going to keep hydrated.
Advertisement. What?
I met myself, by next year I'm going to be one brand myself.
Alright, so $3 a one?
Yeah,
alright, so no, it's not a couple of them because as a person, I feel like if you ever out of underpants, your underpants are always look stylish, they must always look clean.
lose underpants, you can't.
I lose? Yeah, you're in Asia, come in about me underpants.
So as we see all the underpants are get this colour that to switch up and things. I'm going to go all on them red one. Yes, I'm going to go all on underpants and things, surely for support.
That's what I want to big one.
Yeah, so just give her the money for it, so look for medium.
Somebody can sell a special, you know, nice.
I'm going to see the sign.
So you have too much ice in it?
I need help.
You know, nice, because it starts to taste water.
Medium?
So if like say right off of the
no, extra large. No, it's too big. Alright, so I'm just hold the boxes, although extra large, but it fits small, so just hold that, so I will keep moving. Well, you're a tour guide today, you probably are going to...
I'm not the tour guide.
Come on,
you're a tour guide, man.
We're going down near Orange Street.
Orange Street, I'm right here.
When the cash. Look, pressure people. Chef, that's a... Where the chef? Chef! Chef!
Run up in a wholesale. So what you see on a tour getting, like, you know the people them, like, your brother them down your sister, everybody, your uncle, your friend, everybody. Eh?
Everybody, yo, we know people, we out here.
Alright, superstar now. Big actor in Jamaica, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, so enough market they down to that side.
So Curry down, so Coronation Market that side. Alright.
We're there for Orange Street, the outlet, so, and then King Street over the walk and again.
Yeah.
Back road at King Street where the Baee there. Yeah. The Baee there upper so. Or the Baee Street up, isn't it?
So pretty much Rolley I say when you're down here, so you have to walk like you have a bounce, you have to walk with purpose, like you know which part you go, so you have to walk like this. You see me I say?
Come on, walk. Look down, outside. Look down.
Hold on there.
Don't tell him
More-
it's a joke or anything.
No, a serious thing
No,
still.
a serious thing.
But more you demonstrate the walk. Hold on there. Cue in the walk right now. Raise out it first. Alright, so it might really sound as if it's a joke, but it's not. What I'm pretty much trying to say, you just have to walk with purpose, like, you know, make people know, say, yo, you come from them ends and you know about you. One thing what Jamaica has not changed for me personally growing up, there's always a man selling CDs and a Christian music running at the backdrop. And again, Rolly know that person there. Yeah, Rolly on the streets down here, so. Alright, another tip again, Rolly just say, it makes sense that when you walk, should you walk?
You walk and do a check price. Don't make it look too obvious. Basically, you bounce whatever they in your pocket, if your phone in your pocket, you check every like 2 minutes. You see, because people them.
So what people might not realize, you see me right now, me I walk, watch out. See this?
Yeah, zip.
Zip up
like some.
So you see me, so even coming down here, so in my head, I kind of try to pre-formulate as in like how I go dress. I dress in my marina, because I know it I got hot already. You get me, I say? My zipper pants, because that go help me a little bit, but again, walk with the bounce and make sure so you do the check, you do the fat check.
Yeah, check, you see me?
Really logical,
because
makes sense.
Basically, as close as somebody, nobody have to come close to your face, you're missing something.
Fact.
You see me? So, big up, see it? Him out there. So basically what you do, you just walk and a check. And it's supposed to become a habit, no matter where you go. Because you can go in a taxi and you get picked. Pick is when you don't notice it gone. When you reach home, you say, where my phone?
Fact.
And that's the worst thing when you left out of the place and you're missing it. You know, no chance to get that back. Always check.
So all the way down here, so you see we are walk and have fun and do all type of crazy stuff. How much should that's in here? $100? More one of them. We really need it. Thank you. Yo, you know how long me I look for So, I come to buy a Sky Juice a while ago and the man said if I pay him to have the video of Sky Juice. Is that, I'm not buying a Sky, no, it's alright. Me rather not forget nothing for drink, it's alright. No, I'm not buying them. Get some pillows them for the thing, you see me? A long time I don't buy a pillow, you know. How much you normally sell the pillow them for? Oh, so 15,000 twin size.
Yeah, the 50.
What inside
that?
that?
A quilt.
Oh, a quilt.
First foam in them, yeah.
So who do them? Are you do them?
Yeah. Yeah, he make them.
So why did I say razor in terms of people and the pillow them?
The reason why I feel like if I highlight it because my ever friends that come down from especially America, England and Canada, we say them want pillow to go back up with. Me I always find it weird because I say you want pillow to go up with, so I don't know if a way we create our pillars down here, if them like it, so I say yo get it for your plan. Okay. So I say
So you say you prefer to do like public videos like where people?
No really, I don't want to say prefer, but
like
I
interaction.
feel like doing videos in the public are one of the best way to grow your channel.
Since me I work with 3 persons know me from my channel and about 5 know you from for you.
Exactly.
So it's a good
and then people are saying to them know you're based upon the market video.
Ah, yeah. As more say, yo, on have to drop a like on the video straight up because it's hard to video people.
At least 50 extra likes cause me in the video. Like,
first of all, no, 50 extra, 500 extra likes.
500
Yeah, talk about 50.
Video go easy pound about it.
You see me? So the people in the streets actually are watching video while I go home and say, yo, just see the market video and base it. I never thought.
Fight him.
Like, show off.
Yo, I wait for all that back, you know.
Oh, Lord. No, the bag. I wait having in your bag.
You see me? So I'm going to try to catch a scene right now and then probably wrap up. I want to get some drone shots for your fuck and then go down the waterfront and show you guys how that look and thing. You see me? that was one take a while ago and it was funny as hell. But yeah, about it. Alright, so I'm there at the back of that place. I normally buy Rolley So when I was a teen, so I'm gonna buy a couple of these and maybe ship them off to any of my subscribers and maybe some patrons or so, you see me, show me love and respect. And at the same time get a youth some support, you see me? What price on the beads? 200, 205. You have no ring? I'm like a type of ital ring, like a Rasta ring. How much you ring them till for? $200? I want a ring for myself, plus yeah. And how much is this? How much? 2 bills? Alright, so how much are the beads in themselves? Yeah. 2 bills? You know none for bills? No? No. Alright, watch out. And this is for 2 too? Yeah. And this feel like a better quality than 3 for much? 3 of them are for 2 bills? But 1 of them are for 2 bills. You willing to give it a cheap? Alright, watch out. Me take 3 of them from you. For 4 bills. So give me, how much 3 for 4? Alright. 3 of them are for 4, you can't give me a subscriber then. But I want 1 of the ring there. Okay? Alright, mad thing. So I just got these Jamaican bracelets, so I'm gonna ship these off to some of you who are overseas and who might appreciate something like this, you know? And just get a little, I don't know, I really need a ring, but I'm gonna get some for myself. So them ring is like Bob Marley, right? Yeah. I see them all the ring. And I have these, so I'm gonna ship these off to a few people who might be interested or whatever. Or whoever on my Patreon that didn't get a gift, I'll ship it to you guys. Yeah, so you guys might know this park, you know, the statue there which part Alexander Busterman today. So right now actually come back up into the center because we want to lift the drone up, you get me? We kinda want to be inconspicuous when we do what we do. So that way that we can get some aerial shots and then, you know, get you guys a better idea as to what's happening. Policeman them see me all go and shoot and then like him as a look for me like, trust me, doing them vlogs as a vlogger or a YouTuber, but yeah, do your thing really me out in my zone. Like I'm not really busy about nobody else around me. Cause if you really fancy what everybody else I do or I think, you never make a video. But anyway, we're gonna drop the drone and thing and yo, the man are really bridging, you know, cause the man see 3 are blowing at the camera face and the man are a holy train at that.
That's what it's about.
Yo, I really drop a like for that cause the man are the real G. I remember drop over upon for them video.
You don't know.
They have a video I'm gonna drop as well.
Jamaica, that's a squad there.
Yeah man, real thing. Yo, we're there in the central part of the park, yo. Yo, them thing they used to have water upon it, I believe. That but Jamaica, them always run down, so no water now flow through it again. But yeah, we're trying to find a place to lift the drone up again. Yeah, a mad thing. Yo, so we just brought the drone up just now. It was just like, for me, just drama. Having a drone is just dramatic because trying to get some shots and the drone go, like, the wind here is heavy. So like, I had to tell the drone to come back home because, yeah, it was pretty much getting lost out there in the wind. So I got as much shots as I could. Now, Razor them are going with a little reason. I talk about life pretty much. So we're gonna head back down to waterfront where I'm gonna end the video and try to maybe get some waterfront shots out there with the drone again. It's gonna be tough because the wind is very high out there, but that's why we got the drone, you know. It's risky, but yeah, try to capture the culture as much as we can.
Get catch? Third one video?
Third splash video.
We are going good.
No. Yo, so we just reached back down to the waterfront and personally, I'm not gonna fly the drone in this. This is crazy. Like the wind is a lot more stronger and nah, I'm not gonna do it. Very exhausting day. I wanted to make like at least 3 videos. I think I got away with at least 2. So really I keep up him antics as usual. Just what a jelly a while ago. But then I got a Pepsi as well cause I'm well thirsty. So the last thing that I want to accomplish today is to go back and see my car park up because like, you know. Like, let me tell you, like doing the video down here, don't get me wrong, one of my most stressful videos I've ever done. Like this I'm gonna use to it because in the public interview and things, so him know that type of stress. You get me, but yeah, this one was very stressing, but I do it to kind of capture the culture, what downtown Kingston is like. It's been a long time since I have actually walked about in downtown Kingston myself, so yeah, so far we didn't get robbed, we didn't get pocket not get picked. We pocket not get picked, so it's great. Alright guys, so we just stop off down the Rolley and so go and easy and chill. Yo, today was just a day of not just the whole downtown shopping, but like even coming back to the car, like yo, that was a whole drama. Like I paid the dude before we left and him tell me I never pay him and he was like this big level thing, but I walk off and double pay him again because it was crazy. My brethren them see me pay him and thing, but that's a part of it. Again, the tips and the pointers are when you're going down there, you have to go down there, you have to be very vigilant, you have to be ready. You can't go down there and act soft or appear like no soft person. Like, you remember the walk? I go show the clip again, remember the walk, remember the talk. You get to me, say, what else? You tell me something else, remember? You have to walk with purpose. You get me, I say, I know exactly.
I go up.
No, I go up.
What's around there?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know what I know.
No, next time. Plan. Say, okay, we're gonna go around there, then I go back home. Yeah.
So anyway guys, because I done the vlog right here, so remember these 3 things guys: love, nature, adaptation, and also remember if you like the video, drop a like on it. I appreciate that guys. Remember to keep the link.